Many of you have asked me about building a PC building class. Last year was a busy and fruitful year for me in the custom PC community. This year, I want to bring this further. I have created this PC building masterclass. You want to learn how to build a PC? Now is the time. In this masterclass, I'll teach you the basics of the components, how to build a PC and how to maintain it. Imagine learning to build an entire PC yourself and even know how to maintain it. This is a community where we can make friends and learn new things. Head over to my link in bio and join the class now. See you in the class.